Now, if you haven't tried a Japanese milk bread, you've got to do it because it's this lovely, soft, white bread that has one secret technique that you've got to learn. We need to start by making a Tangzhong paste. I've got bread flour and milk going into a saucepan. And all you want to do is just literally stir that together over a medium heat until it thickens to form a paste. And it's going to look something like this. We're going to take it off the heat, let it cool for 10 minutes. The Tangzhong paste is the secret to this loaf, and it's not actually Japanese, but what you're doing is you're pre-gelatinizing the starches in that mixture, which allows you to add more moisture into the dough, which equals a soft loaf of bread. Then when that paste is cool, we're going to add in flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. And finally, soft butter and milk. Get your hands in there and we're going to form this into a shaggy dough. Take it out of your bowl, throw it onto your work surface. Now we're going to start to knead it. Now it's going to be a little bit sticky, but lightly wet your hands. You're going to press the dough away from you, stretching it out, fold it in itself, turn it 90 degrees, and repeat that technique over and over again for about 10 minutes. When you finish kneading, it should be very smooth. We're going to put this in a bowl, we're going to let it rise for 1 hour. Once the dough is risen, take it out. We're going to cut it into 3 equal pieces. Take each piece of dough, you want to shape it very gently underneath your hand until it forms a nice smooth ball like this. Loosely cover them, and then we're going to let them rest for 30 minutes. You're going to roll that ball of dough into a long rectangle, then fold it in itself in thirds, turn it 90 degrees and roll it into a nice tight log shape. Pop those 3 rolls into a bread tin. We're going to cover it, let it prove for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once it's proved, give it an egg wash, put some sesame seeds on top, and then we're going to bake. And when it comes out of the oven, it's this deep golden color. When you slice it, you've got that really nice golden crust at the top and a really soft crumb in the center. This is perfect for toast, perfect for sandwiches, whatever you want to do.